Is it a fair world where half of the population often has to work twice as hard for the same opportunities? Today, we're delving into the history and significance of a day that seeks to challenge this very question: International Women's Day. First recognized by the United Nations in 1975, International Women's Day has evolved into a global day of recognition and celebration, a day that celebrates the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. It also serves as a potent reminder of the ongoing struggle for gender equality. The seeds of International Women's Day were sown in the early 20th century, a time of great expansion and turbulence in the industrialized world. Women's oppression and inequality were spurring women to become more vocal and active in campaigning for change. The very first National Women's Day was observed in the United States on the 28th of February 1909. A decade later, in 1919, women finally gained the right to vote in many countries, marking a significant step in the fight for equality. Today, International Women's Day is a time to reflect on progress made, to call for change, and to celebrate acts of courage and determination by ordinary women who have played an extraordinary role in the history of their countries and communities. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. Significant activity is witnessed worldwide as groups come together to celebrate women's achievements or rally for women's equality. The theme for International Women's Day 2024 is Choose to Challenge, a call to action encouraging each one of us to challenge gender bias and inequality, celebrate women's achievements, and work towards creating an inclusive world. In summary, International Women's Day is a celebration of women's achievements, a reminder of the struggles faced, and a call to action for gender equality. It is a day to recognize the battles won and the battles that still need to be fought. It is a day to take a step back and reflect on how each one of us can contribute to making the world a more equal place. Remember, every action, no matter how big or small, contributes to building a future where gender equality is not just a goal, but a reality. So as we come together this International Women's Day, let us celebrate women in all their diversity and strength, remembering that each step forward in the fight for gender equality is a step towards a better future for all.